Alright, Binolo Restaurants, Clark, Pampanga. Alright, let's go inside. Let's go. Ooh, native ang motif niya. Yeah. Here we are here at Binolo. Binolo Bar. It's bar area here. Hello. So guys, after 5 years maybe. So
Francis,
yeah, we're back here at
taga Bicol dati.
Binolo at Clark Binolo Restaurant.
Aabot ka naman.
Tikman namin yung
Aabot
mga
ka
exotic
naman.
food
Dumiretso ka na ng Legazpi.
frogs,
Ako, I can drive
crickets,
from, dati nag-drive ako
snake.
from Gumaka
sige,
to Legazpi.
pakita ko sa inyo yung mga exotic food nila dito. Anyway, I'm with the MI people.
Ang layo naman.
So, ito yung inside the Binolo here restaurant sa Clark, Pampanga. Hi, Jess. Jess, what is that? What are you eating? Frog. Say it properly. Frog. That's how you said. Yummy. That's your first time? Oh, tastes like chicken. I want Francis wanna try also. See? Oh, come on, Francis. Come on. Oh no. Get hold. Why you share lang? Let's go, Francis. Oh, see? Oh. Di ba? Oh. Okay. Okay, Jamal, come on, get one.
Take mo, Jamal.
Maria, the yummy part. Wait. Oh, see? Oh. Really? Oh.
Dapat ito yung vlog mo, ayaw eh. Hawakan mo nga yung palaka.
Hold it.
Kunyari.
Guys, the favorite food of Jamal, frog from Pampanga. Siyempre, appetizers.
Peter Chan.
Yeah.
Peter Chan naman.
May
Peter Chan.
Pitit chan,
Yes, Peter Chan.
meaning chicharong bulaklak.
Hindi yun
I'm sorry,
Chicharong
chicharong lang.
Pinifry pa kasi. Peter Chan.
Kinakain yun.
Crispy ano.
Crispy pata. Nakita nyo? Yung pinalipad na tilapia.
Okay, so can you understand?
With the, syempre, pahaba ng buhay, gulay. Syempre, ang sisig ng Kapampangan. Atisay, ano to? Lechong kawali. With Mang Tomas.
Ayan. Yung palaka.
Yung dinadayo dito sa Binolo. Nakita niyo yan.
Sarap kayo pa. Ito na lang, isa pa. Itagle.
So guys, ito yung tibok-tibok. Tapos may
Gatas ng kalabaw.
may lapik sa ibabaw. So, nakita niyo kung gaano ka-creamy yan? Sige.
Carabao milk daw yung daw.
Wow. Carabao milk. Akala ko mom's milk. It's organic frog. See? From Binolo. That's so yummy.
It's a wild
And so wild frog. Yeah. See? Deep fried.
It eats mosquitoes.
Wala lang kasing cricket, kaya
It eats mosquitoes and flies.
yeah, that's why very delicious and nutritious.